Hello friends, welcome back to my channel, The Nomadic Banker. So a few months back, a friend of mine whom I had met through an app called Host a Sister, she visited India and I hosted her. So these pictures were taken during her stay with us, that tenure. Like, she found it very unique, all the Indian ways of eating, the Indian culture. This is from Belur Mott, where we had taken her when we visited Belur Mott and had a bhog there, like prasadam. So these are moments from there. এটা বেলুর মঠের বাইরে যখন আমরা খাওয়া মানে প্রসাদ নেওয়ার জন্য লাইনে দাঁড়িয়েছিলাম, তো ও মজা করে বলেছিল যে এই লাইনে যতজন দাঁড়িয়ে আছে ও মালয়েশিয়া থেকে ছিল, মালয়েশিয়ার হাফ পপুলেশন এখানেই চলে এসেছে. So while we were waiting in this queue to take our prasad, she jokingly said that half the entire population of our country, Malaysia, was standing in this line, in this queue. So that's the strength of India, right? We have big numbers, and these are few more moments of how lassi is made and some ice creams from outside the Belur Mott area. The best part in India is that when you take such pictures, like not like without even eating or consuming the products, you are taking these pictures, people are very sober, quiet, and they are down to earth. Unlike the foreigners, like when we go to other countries, they are very rude. Not like Indian culture, you know, they don't even offer water. Water is also chargeable. So yes, Indian culture জিন্দাবাদ. এটা ইন্ডিয়াতেই পাওয়া যায়, অন্য কোথাও পাওয়া যায় না. সেটা বাইরে গেলেই বোঝা যায় যে কতটাই আলাদা আর আমাদের কালচারটা কতটাই উন্নত, কিন্তু আমরাই এটাকে মানে মাটিতে মিলিয়ে দিচ্ছি আর কি. শুধু আমরা ওয়েস্টার্ন কালচার ফলো করছি আর এই করে করে জানি না আলটিমেটলি কোথায় গিয়ে দাঁড়াচ্ছে. This is a fruit chaat vendor again on the roads, the street fruit chaat vendor, and the entire chaat making process was captured by her. By her I mean my Malaysian friend whom I had hosted during that period. So Host a Sister is a very unique app. Because I'm a woman, I use this app. I look for hosts when I am traveling abroad. It's not very commonly used or popular in India, but abroad yes. Though I have never used it so far, but yes, we can use it. It's safe, it's good, and usually the hosts are really reciprocative. So one must try it. It's a unique experience. You get to stay with a local host and experience the local cuisine, the local culture, just in the same way like this girl, my friend from Malaysia, she did. She experienced the local Indian, or the rather the local Kolkata culture, the local Indian culture, the Indian cuisine, like the first video, the breakfast making video. So friends, thank you. Keep watching and please subscribe to my channel and help me grow. Bye bye. And till my next video, keep blessing me. Okay friends, bye.